In an age where modern trucks keep pushing boundaries, few manage to blend timeless heritage with forward-thinking innovation. Enter the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup 1948, a truck that does exactly that. It combines classic spirit with contemporary engineering in a way that feels both nostalgic and brand new. Welcome back to Gear Shift Hub. Today, we're taking an in-depth look at a truck that isn't merely transportation, it's a rolling tribute to automotive history. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup 1948 pays homage to the iconic model introduced over 75 years ago, staying true to its original charm while packing in the performance and technology today's drivers demand. From first glance, this truck is a visual throwback that instantly commands attention. Its round headlights, upright grille, and strong hood lines are faithful nods to the 1948 classic. But look closer, and you'll spot modern touches: sleek LED lighting, flush-mounted door handles, and an updated stance that hint at its thoroughly modern underpinnings. Rather than being a simple restoration, this is a complete reinvention. GMC's design team has done an impressive job preserving the old-school personality while ensuring every detail is practical and stylish for modern roads. From the retro steel wheels to the sculpted front fenders, every design element feels deliberate, each angle telling a story rooted in history. Pop the hood, and the real excitement begins. Instead of the original carbureted inline-six engine, the 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup offers a choice of contemporary powertrains. For those who love the roar of traditional muscle, there's a naturally aspirated V8 that delivers the deep, rumbling soundtrack you'd hope for. And for drivers who want sustainability without sacrificing style, GMC also offers an all-electric version. Featuring dual electric motors, it delivers instant torque and a surprisingly long range, all while producing zero tailpipe emissions. The EV doesn't just look retro, it performs like a modern marvel, with rapid acceleration, balanced handling, and a low center of gravity thanks to a fully independent suspension setup. It's living proof that you don't have to choose between nostalgia and innovation. Step inside the cabin, and the theme of blending eras continues seamlessly. The dashboard design recaptures the symmetrical style of the late 1940s, but it's cleverly updated with a digital instrument cluster that emulates the appearance of classic analog dials. The seats are upholstered in premium leather with contrasting stitching, and wood grain accents pay tribute to post-war American pickups. But don't let the classic look deceive you. Modern conveniences abound. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a heads-up display, voice command features, a premium sound system, and a touchscreen so subtly integrated into the dash that it virtually disappears when powered down. One of the most impressive updates on the 2025 model is its bed. Here, form meets function with a vintage-inspired wooden floor reinforced by high-strength composite materials. It's built to handle tough tasks while maintaining timeless style. Hidden power outlets, tie-down points, and a multifunctional tailgate that serves as a workbench add modern practicality to the classic silhouette, ideal for work or for showing off at weekend car meets. Behind the wheel, driving this truck feels like bridging two eras. It's smooth, capable, and refined, far removed from the rugged but Spartan trucks of the late 1940s. Thanks to features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and a 360-degree camera system, the 2025 Vintage Pickup feels as advanced and safe as any current vehicle. Yet, the real magic is in the experience, looking out over that wide, sculpted hood, surrounded by retro design cues, while knowing you're protected by cutting-edge tech. The 2025 GMC Vintage Pickup 1948 isn't simply a nod to the past, it's a celebration of automotive history brought roaring into the future. It's designed for enthusiasts, dreamers, and anyone who believes classic American pickups can still have a place on today's roads, not just as museum pieces, but as daily drivers. This truck doesn't merely look back, it boldly drives forward, wrapped in heritage that honors where we came from. And at Gear Shift Hub, we can't wait to watch this modern classic turn heads wherever it goes.